Welcome to Market Peeker. Trend lines are essential tools for spotting market direction and making smarter trading decisions. Today, we'll show you how to draw them like a pro. What are trend lines? Trend lines are diagonal lines that connect price points, helping you identify upward, downward, or sideways trends. They're simple but incredibly effective for visualizing the market's momentum. How to draw an upward trend line. Identify at least 2 higher lows on the price chart. Use a straight line to connect these points. Extend the line to project future price movements. How to draw a downward trend line. Find at least 2 lower highs on the chart. Connect them with a straight line. Extend the line downward for a clear view of the trend. Tips for accurate trend lines. Use longer time frames for more reliable trends. The more price points a line touches, the stronger the trend. Avoid forcing lines to fit. The market sets the trend, not you.